Okay, so we are on the home page of the blog. I'm gonna click here on the edit page on the bottom right. I'm gonna go to, so that's the blog editing here. There's the page on the right. I want to create a page, let's say in the IT support. I'm gonna click on the little three dots on the right, click on add a subpage. The name will be how to create a page. Gonna put wiki at the beginning so everybody know how to create a page. Click done. That's the title. Just gonna stretch that so it's only 2 lines. And then to create text, I gonna click on text. Then write my text. Click enter. Click somewhere else. I want to put some text. So for example, I'm going to do a screen grab. So screen grab somewhere. I take this part of the screen. I'm gonna do a Control C, and then you can just paste it there and paste it. And just click again, write some more text, write some text. Then you can double click here to open the box. You can select some image. If you don't want to do a Control C, take an image from your computer, write text here. Then you can double click and select something from your drive. So I'm on my drive. I'm gonna add a video. There you go. Good. And then when you finish, you're gonna click here on publish on the top right. You compare to the previous version and click on publish. Okay, so remember I had the page put in the IT support here. My page is called Wiki something. Here it's at the bottom. So if I was clicking here and trying to see how it looks like, I'm gonna click on view publish site. Okay, view public site, and have a look at Wiki, how to create a page. Okay, so that's a Wiki page. And if you're not sure, you try to find it, you can click on the search box over here and type Wiki, for example. Enter, and you see how to find a page here. Good.